You guys ready?
Ready.
Well, yeah.
You have the water.
Big Duck Opener 2025. Watch your footing here. So it's currently midnight 41, and as you can see, we're building our blind up. This year our spot's a little low. We kind of knew that coming in. This was our second spot. We got here at about 11 o'clock, and there was already 4 or 5 trucks in the parking lot, and there was 2 guys back in the hole that we wanted to go to, so this was our second option. And there's lights behind us too already, so that's duck hunting, and that's why you get out early. Blinds all set up. We got our spread out there. It's probably hard to see. Got about 30 minutes till shooting light. Allie's been asleep here for a little while. Gabby, first timer, she's ready.
I'm ready.
I think it's gonna be a good day. We built this blind, got here at about 11 o'clock, and spent a good number of hours on it. I think it's gonna be good. So stay tuned.
What'd you say?
I said it's go time. Here we go, 2, holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4 up top. Circling. 1 dumping in. Oh. Yeah. Here they come. They're getting lower. Oh, they gave it a look, but they didn't like it. Yep. These two are doing it. One sec, let them land. Kill them. Got one. Rip! Dead bird! Back! Back! All right, load back up. Rip back! Back, dead bird! Rip, rip, rip. Hey, hey, hey! Over! Over! Good. Good boy, fetch him up.
What do you think it is?
It's a Woody. Yep. Bring him here, good boy.
I turned my safety.
Here, watch. I'll watch all these. Good boy. Bring him here, Rip. Keep watching. Yep, you guys are good. Good boy. Give. Rip kennel. Nice, Woody.
Nice.
stud. Rip kennel. Hey, hey, hey. Kennel up. Good. Mallard. He's looking. Here we go. Oh, one off to our left. Yeah, don't kill that. One up top just skimmed right over us. He's gonna come back. He's folding over that way though. I don't know where he went. Oh, yep, yep, mallard. Oh, those two did it for us. They made it look. Oh, here we go. Up top, don't look. I don't know if they're fire. Yep. No, too high, too high.
It's just crazy because I feel colder. Yeah, it's fucking chilly. I'm glad I have my insulation in.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad we put them back in too. Baby, if you get one that passes by, you shoot it. We know you can kill them when they're passing.
You just have to be able to get eyes on them
Mm-hmm.
before you. Before they land. Or after they land, I suppose.
Yeah. Are you falling asleep or what? Are you?
Yeah, that one.
Let's fall back. I think that. Let's fall back. I think when they're flying over, they're spotting us. Sit. Sit. Here we go, 3 of them out front. Oh, you're good, you're good. It's all good, we're still early. We're gonna get you one, Gabby.
You keep saying we're still early. We've been here since yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
I guess we could never be too early.
There's one way up there, sky high. Get ready in case they missed them. Yep, I see them, yep. Here, they're up and around. They're still up, but they're way out over there. Huh?
McDonald's. Sounds so good.
Man, that should be us. You're fucking falling asleep standing up. Watch this one. He's looking hard. Gabby, if another one comes in, it's all you. I'll be your backup shot, all right?
You are my backup shot?
Yep, you're gonna shoot first. Whenever you're ready.
As long as it gets in the fucking... Good boy, Rip.
Good boy, Rip.
Come on, Rip.
Good boy, buddy.
I ain't gonna...
Gabby, did you just shoot your first fucking wood duck? Are you shaking?
I don't know. Can you see? I think I did that.
Think you did that. Now watch it have a band. Here, Rip.
Come here, Rip.
He's coming.
It's
Good
not
boy.
dead yet.
It's fine. Rip, bring him here.
It's a head. What do you...
Good. Hold. Hold. Good. Heel. Good boy. You want to grab it?
No.
Give. Good boy.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a hen.
That's it.
We'll find out on the shot cam, but I think that was all you, Gabby.
I think that was all me. I genuinely think that was
You
all
took your
me.
time to line up. As soon as you let that first shot go, then I started shooting, but I made sure. Hey, 2 is better than none. You know what? We'll take it. And we haven't had,
Sit there.
we've only
No,
had,
that's all right. I'm not sitting.
we've only had 3 opportunities. So we're not doing bad for what it is.
I was shaking so bad. So when do you get to see that?
What do you
on
mean?
The shot cam.
When we go home and I get to edit it. I mean, I could have it right now.
Oh. I definitely think
I think you got it, Gab. I think you just shot your first wood duck.
I have to cock it back in order to reload it.
Yep.
Do I have to press something?
Yeah. Oh, yep. Just give it. And that was a poke. That was a poke. He was.
Pretty far out.
Yeah. Yep.
That's what that means. Because I remember you shooting the first two, and then I shot and it went down.
Yep.
So
Normally you can tell if you hit it.
yeah. It felt like I was fucking spot on, but I don't even know.
You can see. That's your bird. So we both missed. I take a second shot.
I only shot one time.
Oh, well, you can hear it right there. That's your shot.
Yeah.
And watch. Watch, you can see the feathers fly. I think that's your bird.
I only shot one time.
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
It was that last one too.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? As I shoot, you shot before me.
Yeah.
And it.
Who knew I could shoot a bird when it's flying?
Hey, so for staying out all night and getting here at 11 o'clock last night, and there being a guy from Milwaukee in that hole that we wanted at 7 o'clock, and they're killing birds, for us to come here in a spot that we didn't know how it was going to be. We've hunted it. It's been good, but it hasn't been great today. I mean, you just shot your first bird, so I think that makes it well worth it.
Total win.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's well worth it in my opinion.
Absolutely.
We still got, yeah, you clapped it.
Yeah, for sure. The biggest adrenaline rush you can have is shooting an animal.
And you know what? You took your time.
I did.
You took your time. That's what did it.
Because you just said as long as you line it up with the bead, you're gonna hit the bird.
Yep. Yep.
I was like, bead bird, bead bird.
When they're kind of flying away like that, you kind of want to put the bead right on their beak.
Yeah.
Yep, where their beak would be.
Yeah, because then
You want to lead them.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, if you put the bead on the bird, by the time your wad gets there, you're going to be behind it. Yep.
Aerodynamic.
Place. Hey, get over here and place.
I was trying to get around it.
One more for a limit of woodies. So one limit. Yeah, one limit. It'd be one limit of woodies. I mean, right now we're all, well, you got one, I got one, but one more would be a limit for somebody.
Oh, gotcha.
Yep.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah, I'll hunt till whenever you want to be done.
I don't ever want to. That was fun. Yeah. Okay, now we gotta go somewhere bigger and shoot some elk.
You got a lot of ducks to kill yet. You only scratched off a wood duck.
I don't know, I thought that shot was pretty good. I only took one.
Definitely was a good shot.
I played when I was a kid at the arcades, the shotgun, the birds on the screen.
Yeah.
I was pretty good at it. But it was a video game, so.
Oop.
It definitely calls for day drinking.
Yeah. I was planning on having a bush apple when we got home anyways.
Oh, I was thinking
Yeah,
of frying up some
that'll be,
potatoes.
dude, yeah, do a steak, potato, egg, and cheese burrito.
Stop for eggs. I literally jumped with joy.
Yeah.
I was like, I got it.
Yeah. And that's the thing, like, you know, like I pretty much knew I didn't hit it.
As soon as the shot went, all I seen was feathers.
Yep.
So I was like, I had to.
Yep. Yep.
I figured out. I want to keep some of the feathers.
Yeah, absolutely.
I seen this really cool.
Take the wing.
Yeah.
Yep, the wing will dry out real nice.
I want to put it like in a. Also, when you said it was So that I was like looking. You're like, I'm gonna shoot. I was like, I'm getting there.
Yeah, I saw you creeping, so I wasn't gonna. And it got up. I think
Yeah.
it got up before you.
Did.
And then I think I ended up shooting first.
You shot first, and then it like skedaddled really fast.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm not fucking. You know, sleeping in the woods wasn't really that bad.
No, it was just it got cold there for a little bit. Yeah, I think me and Hallie were sitting right here, right where you're sitting, and we watched 10 wood ducks swim around in the decoys for a hot minute because we were limited out. Sky high.
Go back home, make some food.
I'm good with that.
You guys probably go to bed.
If we were in that back hole, dude, we would have had so much fun. Huh?
Big facts.
Dead bird rip. Whoa. Ready? Ready? Fetch. Was it?
Yeah, I thought I had a bird.
Oh. Did you see all them woodies?
Yeah,
Dude.
I heard them.
Yeah. Good boy. Thanks. Good boy. Yeah. There's one coming. Good boy, Rip. Bring him here. Good boy. Here, here. Good. Give. Kennel. Come on. Kennel. Good boy. Having to retrain him on breaking. He likes to break sometimes, so I got him on a check cord. We're gonna fix that issue before we go to North Dakota. Three out front. They're gone. Here we go. These are all you, babe. Rip kennel. Kennel.
Come here.
Huh?
Come here, stay low. Let me show you what I shot at.
Okay.
Stand up, you'll see it. Tell me that's not a Drake Woody.
Where? It is. Hold up.
I shot it.
You must have hit it. It's a tough one. Hold up. He's dead.
I know. I knew.
You crippled him. You had to have crippled him. Rip. Fetch. Fetch. Fetch him up. Back. That's a blind for him. Rip back. Hey, hey. Rip. Hey, hey. Hey, over. Over. Good. Over. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Rip, 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 rip. Hey, rip. Over. Good. There, he's got it.
Yeah, I peeked my head up again because I was sitting there thinking about it. There's no way I looked out there, saw a full head of a Drake Woody, but it wasn't there.
I can't believe it was still alive after that first shot.
That's what I'm saying. So when I hit it, sat and chilled there. He was in the same exact spot that I shot at.
Well, you might have hit him. Here. Oh, that's, yep.
Oh.
Fetch.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. They're big ones. All right, Rip, here. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Kennel. Kennel. Good. Where is that?
Do they have a switch?
Oh, baby, right out front. They're dumping in. Wait. Oh, I went click. I went click. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, the mallards are back. Or no, those are woodies. We get 4 more woodies. Here we go. This is that teal. That's a teal. It's a blue wing. He's gonna dump in, baby. He's gonna do it. Here he comes. He's gonna come back around on your side. There he comes.